Setting signs is an integral part of job site setup. It may seem like a simple task, but there are many things that can cause injury. Today, we're going to talk about the safest and most ergonomic ways to set up and tear down signs. But first, I'd like to talk about PPE. At K&D Services, we believe in protecting our employees, clients, and the public in work zones. It is important to always keep your PPE on, so you can always be seen on the roadway. A Class 3 vest, night pants, hard hat, whistle, good gloves, and good boots. This will keep you protected from the dangers of the road. Always have a partner assist in your setup and tear down your signs for increased safety and awareness. Before setting signs, be sure to have your gloves and hard hat on for added safety. It's important to warm up and stretch before handling your first sign to prevent injuries to your neck, back, and arms during setup. For every inch away from your body that your elbow travels away from your core, you exponentially increase the strain potential on your back. Your length of stretch is green zone, yellow zone, and red zone. In the red zone, you have the highest chance of potential injury from the added pressure on your back. Before setting up your sign, be sure to clear the area of any slip, trip, or fall hazards. If there are any, reposition to avoid the hazard. Rest and stand on your knee, look down, verify you can see the spring from the Windmaster. Extend all 4 legs, drop the bottom 2 legs into the first hole, rest on the ground, bring the rear 2 legs, also locked in the first hole, set down, the stand should go firmly flat on the ground. When you look down at your stand, verify that you are lengthwise instead of widthwise over the stand. When looking down your stand, if it is resting in a position that is not flush to the ground, you may have a pin that is in the wrong hole. To adjust this, simply pull your tab, put it in the top hole, and sit flush. In the event you have a sidewalk that you have to cope half on, half off into the street, onto the sidewalk, pull your tab, put 2 pins into the bottom holes, set, and you should be able to rest half on, half off. Triangle should be facing away. Pull your Velcro tab, pull your first sheet, drop. Take your arm, rest on the ground, bring it back, move your strap, slide in securely, grab the center, rotate, grab. Once the top is secured, grab the other half, clean off for any debris that may be on the ground, slide in, verify it's secured. Next, we move into our flags. Rest them on the ground. To stay in your green zone, do this on the ground. Adjust it clockwise. So your flags open up, nice and wide. Pick it up, center bar for the best grip. This is why it's important to have a partner with you. Put it in the stand. Lock it in the stand. You have to make sure you lock it because the sign is not crash worthy unless locked together. In the event you need to weigh down your signs, put sandbags on the legs to keep it held. Before you leave your sign, be sure that it's the correct sign for that location. Check that any overlays are in the correct position as well. It is your responsibility to be sure that you make the workers, employees, and the public safe through your work zone through correct sequencing and spacing of your signs. When tearing down the sign, start with the traffic sign. Push on the bar Slide off, simple fluid motion. Repeat for the other side. Side's free, lower the bar. Come down, push your button in, stand on the stand, do not pull it out of the stand. Pull it back, so you're now in your yellow zone when dealing with the flags. Rotate counterclockwise to lower the flags to keep tightness about the same from when you started. When you come up to your flags to fold them properly, adjust your diamond so it's centered. Fold half, bring in the other half, make sure the arm is vertical. Adjust your center beam, so now you begin rotating and folding the sign. Keep your flag stuffed inside. Turn to increase tightness and neatness. Rotate. Use the Velcro. Slide up. Pull out. Set to the side to avoid trip hazards. Tap the stand. Drop 2 legs down. Lower the top. Turn. Pick up your 3rd leg. Tuck it in. Turn sideways. Push your buttons. Fold in your legs. From here, reach down, push your button, let gravity take the leg down, pick up, push your tab, fold in, done. Set down, pick up your sign, rest it, it's ready to be picked up. Sign setting is an integral part of overall work zone safety, so it's important to be cautious. When putting up signs, it is important to remember that without the signs, the drivers may not know of the potential dangers ahead. It is always important to have a partner with you, if possible, for added safety. And as always, remember, be prepared for safety.